Hawka, hey, everything's a-okay. On my way to where the air is new. Can you tell me how to get to NANABOOZHOO? How to get to NANABOOZHOO? Oka, hey, BOOZHOO! And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. I am NANABOOZHOO. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. How about GAA-MISKWAAWAAKOKAAG, where there are many red cedars. GAA-MISKWAAWAAKOKAAG. This is the Ojibwe word for the area they later renamed Cass Lake. And I was doing a little research on Cass Lake the other day and realizing like everything in our history books, somehow a fat Freemason secret society guy is behind the formation of these towns. Cass, I forget his real name, but he was named after a Freemason governor from Wisconsin or something. And I don't know. I don't think we should call that town Cass Lake anymore. We should call it GAA-MISKWAAWAAKOKAAG, the place where there are many red cedars, because that's what they called it. GAA-MISKWAAWAAKOKAAG. All right, what should we talk about today? It is Sunday. It is the prayer day. It is Anima A Gija Good Prayer Day. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. It's also Monster Truck Day. Get out there and go watch the monster. Do they still have monster trucks rallies? I never actually went to one of those. I used to go to the stock car races once in a while. I'd blow out your eardrums. But I never saw a monster truck rally. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Anima A, Anima A, Anima A. Get you good, get you good, get you good. Okay. Get your manado. Daga, we do wishin. Please help me. Help me to know what to say right now. To make an interesting, a funny, and informative, YouTube video. Miigwech. Miigwech. Thank you. Thank you. What a powerful word. Miigwech. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Ni miigwechi wendam. I am grateful. Miigwech. Ni miigwechi wendam. I am grateful. Miigwechi wendam is grateful. And they say, if you want to overcome anxiety and depression, you can either feel anxious or depressed or grateful, but you can't feel them all at the same time. So, they say depression is, thinking about the past, and anxiety is worrying about the future. Worrying is like praying for something you don't want to have. But gratitude is recognizing what you have to be thankful for. So if you ever feel, anxious or depressed, just write down the things you're grateful for. Sometimes, as Anishinaabe people, sometimes we're taught to be, you have to be humble. And so we don't like to focus on what is really great, what we're really, awesome at. So when you write down your gratitude list, just start with, the obvious stuff, your health, Nimi Gwachi Wandam for my health, Marazian for my life. I'm grateful I have a place to stay. I'm grateful I'm not starving to death. I'm grateful I'm alive. I'm grateful I'm not dead. I don't know. But then it's okay to just, to be a little vain when you're trying to think of I used to not be able to think of stuff I was grateful for. And then I started making these lists. And now watch me. I'm grateful that I'm not fat, that I have long hair, that I have enough money for anything I ever need. I have a place to live. I have a pickup that runs. I don't have a job I hate. I'm not worried about losing a job. I'm not in trouble at all. I've never been to jail. I'm grateful that I don't have any diseases. I'm not divorced. I don't have to pay child support. Nobody's mad at me as far as I know. I can play guitar, I can play a little piano, I can sing a little bit. I have a lot of freedom in my life. I'm not saying this to brag. These are the things I'm grateful for. And while you're just rattling off stuff that you just like in your life, for you that list is going to be different. But you'll notice you no longer have anxiety. If you've ever almost died, like you just missed getting hit by a bus, you'll notice that you don't have any worries for just a minute. You're like, oh, geez, that was close. And you no longer care that you didn't have so much money in the bank, or that you don't have a girlfriend or whatever. You're just grateful that you didn't get hit. When things could have went way worse than they did. Remember those times. It's like, oh yeah, that was kind of rough, but at least blah, blah, blah didn't happen. I don't know. These are just some thoughts that have come to me. I don't know if I was supposed to say that or not. I just wanted to do a video real quick while the lighting was so good in here. So yeah, today is the Ojibwe word of the day. What was it now? I don't know, egg is good? Verde? Something? I don't know, I'm just kind of just sort of throwing out ideas as they come to me. This is a weird video. So yeah, there you go. I don't know. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. I will see you again. Oh, what? Oh, and give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And leave a comment if there's something you'd like me to translate for you, or talk on about Ojibwe language and culture. I'd be happy to.
What am I doing? What am I doing? But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. One day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. Now so it goes, or so they say. sometimes like a mountainscape. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. Sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Sometimes and some days, sometimes, well, I wake and bake. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, you'll never forget it one day. When I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid.